Hey guys, Gary Berger, owner of Baltimore Martial Arts Academy and GFT Maryland. I'm coming at you for Grapple Fit. And this next technique I want to talk about is the back step pass. Now, the back step is a mechanic in jiu-jitsu. It's a move in jiu-jitsu that's used in a lot of different situations and for a wide variety of reasons. But the situation here is I have somebody that's on their back and they're playing what's called the guard. All right, their feet could be connected to me. Maybe they're here. It doesn't really matter, but the idea is that their legs are in front of me and I need to get by those legs. In Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, we call that passing. So what happens is, if you can imagine, and you know, here I have the dummy on his belly, but it doesn't have to be that way. I can have him like that, as if these are legs. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to step over and grab, and just sort of like hug his hips. And then this leg here is going to come back. All right, it's going to come back. And I'm careful not to like rest my butt on the ground. I want to kind of keep my butt off the ground and push into him a little bit like that. And then I come back. I'm going to do this a little bit. All right. So the other side is, watch my knee come down. Knee, arm, back step. All right. And then I come back. Knee, arm, back step. You can squat. You can even go to your knees if you want to do this. Back step. Back step. Back step. Back step. All right? And my feet, if you can tell, look at my right foot. I'm pushing with that. It's not a dead foot. It's a live foot. My left toes are also on the ground. This video is not about technique detail per se, but a distilled movement that approximates the technique that's designed and utilized in a conditioning program. So that's called the back step pass.